There's a new model out right now that's beating GPT 5.6 and beating Opus 4.8 on real world tests, and you can use it for free today. It's called Kimi K3, and I want to show you exactly how to get access to it because most people are going to miss this one completely. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course. Link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So let's talk about what this thing actually is. Kimi K3 is being called one of the most powerful open source models ever released, and that's not just marketing talk. In real testing, it's outperforming GPT 5.6, and it's beating Anthropic's Opus 4.8 too. Now, when a model starts beating the top paid options from the biggest labs in the world and it's free to access, that's the kind of thing that should stop you scrolling. Because for a long time, the free models were always a step behind. You'd use them to save money, but you knew you were sacrificing quality. That gap is closing fast, and with K3, it might have actually disappeared. Now, here's how you actually get your hands on it, because there's a bit of a trick to doing this the right way. You're going to go to kimi.com and you're going to sign in with a free account. Once you're in, you'll notice the default model showing is K2.6. That's not the one you want. You need to switch over to K3. Now, here's the important part. There's also an option called K3 Swarm, and I'd actually recommend you avoid that one if you're on the free plan. Why? Because K3 Swarm burns through your free tokens incredibly fast, and if you're coding or building something, you're going to run out before you even finish the task. Stick with the standard K3 model instead, and you'll get a lot more use out of your free tokens. There's also a setting for context window, and you'll see an option for extra long. Skip that one too, that's locked behind the premium plan. Keep it on standard and you'll be totally fine for the vast majority of what you're doing. You can also adjust something called thinking effort, and you've got 3 options there: standard, high, and max. Just know that the higher you push that dial, the more tokens it burns through. So if you're just messing around or doing quick tasks, keep it on standard. Save the higher settings for when you're actually building something that needs real reasoning behind it. Now, one thing worth knowing: if you just want fast replies for simple stuff, questions that don't need a lot of deep thinking, you're actually better off sticking with K2.6. It's quick, it's decent, and it won't eat into your K3 tokens. But if you're building something real, a website, an app, a tool, anything that needs actual problem solving, that's when you switch over to K3 and let it do the heavy lifting. And one more thing to keep in mind: during peak hours, free accounts might get paused or limited on usage. So if you can, use it during off-peak hours and you'll get access to a lot more for free. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. So now let's talk about what this thing can actually do, because this is where it gets interesting. In testing, K3 has been used to build genuinely impressive stuff. We're talking full games built from a single prompt, beautiful 3D worlds, the kind of output that used to take a developer days to put together. It can even help you create videos when you pair it with the right tools. This isn't a model that's just good at answering questions. This is a model that can actually build things for you, from a website to a game to a full working product, all from a simple text prompt. And here's the part that I think is going to be a huge deal going forward. Kimi K3 is set to go fully open source come July 2026. Now, if you're thinking, great, I'll just host it on my own computer, I need to be honest with you here. Unless you've got a very serious setup, high-end hardware, real computing power behind you, you're not going to be able to run this locally. This isn't a small model you can throw on a laptop. But the fact that it's going open source at all means developers and companies are going to be able to build on top of it, customize it, and create entirely new tools using K3 as the foundation. That's the kind of move that shapes where AI goes over the next year, not just this one product. And look, I know new models get announced constantly, and it's easy to feel numb to another release. But this one's different, and here's why. This isn't some smaller, watered down free option that you settle for because you can't afford the good stuff. This is genuinely one of the best performing models available right now, full stop, and it happens to be free to use. That combination almost never happens. Usually, you get one or the other. Either it's powerful and it costs you, or it's free and it's mediocre, and what you can access from your bedroom is basically gone. You don't need a huge budget anymore to build something genuinely impressive. You just need to know which tools to actually use and how to use them properly. So here's what I'd do if I were you. If you've never touched an AI model like this before, start small. Go to kimi.com, sign in, switch over to K3, and give it one simple task. Ask it to build you a basic landing page or write you a piece of content and just see what comes back. That one test alone is going to show you exactly what this thing is capable of. If you already know your way around AI tools, push it further. Try building something you've been putting off, a small app, a game, a tool for your business, and see how far K3 can take you before you even need to bring in a developer. And if you're someone who codes for a living or you're trying to learn, this is genuinely one of the best free ways to practice right now because you're not working with some stripped down demo version. You're working with a model that's actually competing with the best paid options out there. And I think that's really the story here. It's not just that Kimi K3 is good. It's that it's good, it's free, and it's about to go open source all at the same time. That's three things that almost never line up together. Usually a lab picks one, maybe two. Kimi just went and did all three. And when that happens, it changes how fast everyone else in the industry has to move too. The other labs see a free open model performing at this level, and suddenly their own pricing, their own free tiers, all of that gets pressured to catch up. So even if you never touch Kimi K3 yourself, this release is going to end up affecting the tools you already use because competition like this pushes the entire industry forward. So if you've been sitting on the sidelines thinking AI tools are too expensive or too complicated or that the good stuff is locked behind a paywall you can justify, this is your sign that things have changed. You can go right now, sign up for free, and start building with a model that's beating some of the biggest names in the industry. No card required, no huge setup, just an account and a prompt. The people who are going to get ahead over the next year aren't the ones with the biggest budgets anymore. They're the ones actually testing these tools the week they come out, figuring out what they can build, and putting it to use before everyone else catches on. So don't just watch this and move on to the next video. Go open a tab, sign in, and try it yourself today. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.